The camera industry is standing on the brink of a revolution, and if the latest whispers from the supply chain are anything to go by, the throne is about to be reclaimed. For years, the original Z8 stood as the gold standard for hybrid creators, a powerhouse that blurred the lines between professional cinema and elite stills photography. But technology never stands still, and what we are hearing about the upcoming Nikon Z8 II is not just an update. It is a fundamental reimagining of what a hybrid body can do. This is the moment the industry has been waiting for, where the raw power of red digital cinema technology finally bleeds into the accessible high-performance Z-mount ecosystem. Imagine holding a camera that feels familiar, balanced, and rugged, yet possesses an imaging engine so advanced it makes your current gear feel like a relic of the past. We are looking at the potential integration of the new XP processor, a dual-chip marvel capable of predictive intent tracking that reads a scene before you even press the shutter. This is not just faster autofocus. It is AI-driven intelligence that anticipates human movement, ensuring that your wildlife shots, your wedding candid moments, and your high-speed sports sequences are locked in with microscopic precision. Every frame you capture is processed with a new level of fidelity, bringing a depth and clarity that were previously only associated with high-end medium format systems. But the real seismic shift, the reason this camera has become the most discussed subject in engineering boardrooms across the world, is the RedCode RAW integration. For the first time, creators will have internal access to 12-bit Red RAW and cinematic IPP2 color science in a compact, hybrid body. Think about what that means for your workflow. You are no longer tethered to external recorders or struggling to match footage in post-production. You are capturing cinema-grade raw data directly to your memory cards, with all the dynamic range, tonal flexibility, and color accuracy that have made Red the industry standard for feature films. This is the ultimate, no-compromise machine for the solo filmmaker who needs to move fast but demands absolute quality. We also have to talk about thermal management, which has been the Achilles heel of so many prosumer bodies. The leaked blueprints suggest a complete overhaul of the heat dissipation architecture, effectively paving the way for unlimited 8K recording at 60 frames per second. No more countdown timers, no more unexpected shutdowns in the middle of an interview, and no more thermal anxiety. Whether you are shooting in the sweltering heat of a desert or the high-pressure environment of a live event, this camera is built to keep running as long as you are. It is a level of reliability that turns a tool into a partner. Then there is the audio, a detail often overlooked until it is too late. The Z8 II is rumored to introduce an internal 32-bit float audio system, a game-changer that effectively eliminates the risk of clipping or distorted sound. You are getting high-fidelity, high-dynamic range sound recording directly into the body, allowing you to focus on the frame while the camera handles the nuance of the environment. It is these invisible upgrades, the ones you don't notice until the edit, that truly separate the professional tools from the consumer gadgets. It is about removing the friction between your vision and the final result. As we look toward the potential release window in 2026, it is clear that this is not a camera meant for everyone. It is a camera